Hi, it's Ellie here with the Wealth Builders, and let's talk compensation. Now, anytime you refer someone, you're going to be able to get compensated. So, first, let's understand what referral means. Anytime you tell someone, hey, look, there's this amazing entrepreneurship academy that's teaching you how to restore and build your credit, along with different skills for you to be able to create passive income in real estate, in forex trading industry, as an e-commerce distributor, and credit hacks and access to Airbnb, Turo, a bunch of different other stuff, you're going to be able to make additional income by referring someone else and them getting access, which is awesome. So what happens here is we're going to be able to make money multiple different ways. Okay. So step one, I refer my best friend, Jenny. Jenny gets started. I make a one time bonus of $50. Jenny decides, hey, you know what? I love this. This is working for me. I love the support. I'm going to tell my cousin, Jim. Jim gets started. I'm going to make $20 because Jim gets started, right? This is where we're talking about bonus, one time bonus override. Jim gets started. I make $20. Jenny's going to make $50 because she is the reason why Jim got started, right? Jim started through her. So now Jim is like, you know what? I'm going to tell my buddy Bob to get started. And so Bob is like, you know what? I'm ready. I'm going to get this platinum distributor package just like everyone. And now Bob has complete access and is going crazy. Is fixing his credit. He's making money with real estate, with forex market, and we're just all happy and we're like, you know what? We're going to help each other start making weekly income because this one-time bonus is great, but we're going to make weekly income. So let's go over this one-time bonus. I made $50 off of Jenny getting started. I made $20 because Jenny referred Jim, and when Jim told Bob, I made $10 because Bob got started. This is where that level one, level two, right? Level one of your initial person sign up, level two from your initial person sign up. Okay, hope that made sense. So that those are one-time bonuses. Your personal bonus is going to be a $50 from your personal sign up. So now, when it comes time to making this weekly pay, that bonus is not incorporated into this weekly. So to become a web builder 100 and to make an extra $180, you need four individuals to be active, right? Four individuals to use the platform. So how do we know that? Anyone who has a platinum distributor package has a volume point of 199. That 199, we're taking that and dividing it by the total group volume that you see here. And so that's going to give you four people. Whatever number you get, we're always rounding up. Okay. So 1,908, we divide that by 199, we're going to be getting 10 people. So now there's that leg rule where you have to have 442, right, roughly, to be able to hit that rank. So this is just to help you understand the structure and the number of people that you need to qualify. So you get 10 people active, right? Remember, this is collective. This is not all individuals you're personally signing up. So Jenny, Jim, Bob, and everyone else that they bring, I bring, is going to help in this total subscribers number to eventually help you hit these ranks. So as the ranks go up, you're going to be able to make bonuses, okay? So these are some of the bonuses you're making. At Wealth Builder 2K, which means that you're making $2,000 a month, you're going to be able to receive $150 per month towards utility bills. When you hit Wealth Builder 5,000, making $5,000 a month, you're going to receive a new Apple iPad Air. At Director 10, which means that you're making $10,000 a month, you're going to be able to receive $600 toward a month towards a car note. At Director 25, you're going to be able to receive 1,200 towards your mortgage. You're also going to be able to receive a one-time rank advance bonus of $10,000. At Director 50, you're going to have the opportunity to make 1,300 towards mortgage, 500 towards your car note, and a one-time rank advance bonus of $15,000, right? in addition to receiving the weekly pay that's associated with the Rank Your app, as long as you have the right qualified subscribers. Hope this helps. Continue to tune in. I can't wait to meet the rest of you wealth builders, whether you're new or have been here for a while and just coming back to check and understand this compensation plan. Take advantage of it, because understand the reason why a number of people are getting started is because someone else who's using this platform shared it to them. Everyone is getting started based off of referral. Word of mouth is the most powerful thing, and you should get paid for it, because I want you to understand, how many times have you referred something and not got paid for it?